everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate, and I am coming on today to show you guys how I do and did my MemoryDex cards, and I probably will still continue doing it this way because I don't know, I still feel it's an easy way to do it. I had ordered this Heidi Swap a few months back. I want to say about 6 months back. There was some problems with the order, I don't know. Anyways, I finally received it about a month ago, and I did test it, and it works perfect. It punches exactly where my holes were, and basically so I just wanted to come on and show you really quick how I did my MemoryDex. These are some of the first ones that I made before I knew this basically this trick. So as you can see, the holes are really up high and they're very uneven, so as you can see that. And this one I ended up covering it because like I said, these are some of the first ones I've made, and these were from like last year. So I just wanted to show you really quick from there. So once I saw this tip and I heard about it, look at where the holes are at now. So they're a little lower, and they're more nicer, I can say. They're not exactly perfect or anything, and sometimes they're not perfect, and that's fine. So let me go ahead and show you how I did these. Okay, this is a punch from the Heidi Swap, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So it's not that bad, it's good. And these are like the ones that I used to make, so actually they kind of do even out. There you go, you see. So anyways, I'm going to show you really quick this tip that I learned, and I learned this tip from MayMay. MayMay is such an awesome crafter. She shows you a lot of tricks and tips on how to craft, and how to, you know, shortcuts and easier ways, and I just love watching her channel. So how she explained it to us, or how she explained it on her video, is basically you go up and you could use a pencil, or this could be actually your template. Okay, make sure you cut the MemoryDex card a 4x4. It has to be a 4x4, and basically you get a ruler and you measure a quarter, 1/4 up, and you just make a little line. Okay, and that's basically the height that your hole is going to be going at. So from there you measure 1.5. So you go and measure 1.5, and you look up and see where your little hole is at. There you go, and there you make a circle. I make a circle so that way I know where it's at, where I have to punch. You do the same thing to the other side. It's going to be 1.5, and it's also going to be 1/4. So let me see, or a quarter, a fourth, and then just make a little line. You don't have to make it a big line or anything, and that's just to tell you that that's where your 1/4 is at. And then you go and let me see, sorry if you see my face, and there's that fourth, and there you go, you make a circle. So I have this punch, and I love this hole punch. I got this at Walmart, and it's only 97 cents. You could get the other hand ones, and they're the same price, but the reason I like this better, it's easier to actually punch a hole, and I can actually see my hole through here. And I think it had a cover here, I took it out, but I could see my hole a lot much better, so that way I could just go ahead and punch whatever I need to punch. So then you go in there and you look inside to see, look, let me see if I could aim this right. I'm doing this a little backwards, so you see your hole and you punch. You see your hole, and let me see, and you punch. So from there you have your two holes, right? So you go just a little tiny down on where that hole's at, just a little dad, like a little, not too much. You do it like about, oh sorry, I don't know if I'm in frame, I apologize. I'm trying to show you, and my camera's a little backwards, so there you go. I'm wondering if you could see that. So you punch right there, and like I said, you just go down a little bit, not a lot, just a tad down, and there you go. From there, so you have like a little, kind of not a perfect circle, but you have like an oval. Now it's a little oval, so there you go. And then you just cut a little line right there, and another line right there, and that's it. Just a little strip, not a big strip, nothing. And then see if I could do this. It's a little hard showing you with this camera. I should have angled it better. So there you go. See how a little bit more down it is? It's not that up. And let me show you again where my is this it? No, this is one I made because I had actually previously done this video to show you guys, and I messed up somewhere. So anyways, let me go ahead and just punch another one. So this is my Heidi punch, and this is the MemoryDex I just made, and you see how the holes actually match up. So there you go. And this is my template. So what you do is basically, this is going to be your template, and then you just go ahead and have this as your like I said, your template. All you do is make, from there on, all you do is make the holes right there, and you do it again. You do that process again, and I don't know if you could see the holes. You do the process again, and there you go. You have your own template. You can leave your template as is. You can, you know, do the round punches here, up here, or you could, what I do usually, what I did for like these right here, I actually got, oops, hi my bunny. What I did was I got a bowl and traced around it on the edges, and this is what I did. I just cut it right here. Sorry, I cut it right here and cut it right here. And like I said, it could be such as this. Let's just say this could be your template. You could do so many things for your MemoryDex cards. You know, what I use in the back, I use a heavy cardstock. I either use a 110 or use 2 cardstocks and just layer one over the other one. So anyway, sorry if this was a very long video. I do apologize if there's any confusion. Just let me know, so I will explain it again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I hope it's, like I said, it's not too confusing. If you're a subscriber, thank you for your support. If not, I would love to have you on board, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye.